Let's zero in on these moves by the London Metal Exchange. What could they mean by traders and investors, and the outlook for base metal prices? We are joined by Keith Wildie. He's head of trading at Romco Group. Keith, thanks very much for giving us the time.
Always a pleasure to be here.
And we just got an update on what London is doing from Joe Doe at Bloomberg. But so does the London Metal Exchange face a dilemma here if it does cut off supplies of metal from Russia?
Yes, I mean, I think, look, they have a massive dilemma. As we know, last Thursday, they issued a discussion paper to their members, essentially proposing a ban on Russian material as deliverable into the exchange. And that, of course, could have a catastrophic impact on the marketplace.
Because just the metal, I mean, Russia's central to the world's metal trade, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, Russia, and specifically Rusal, is responsible for 6% of global metal supply. And Joe was alluding to, we've seen a number of issues in the aluminium market globally, with supply reductions in Europe and China obviously cutting production. So, you know, removing another 6% from what is effectively the global aluminium supply could have a massive impact on the marketplace and obviously send shockwaves through global supply chain.
Am I right in thinking that Russia is most important in nickel and aluminum? It does supply some copper, but that's less important, I think.
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. So it produces about 6% of the global aluminium supply, and it's about 9% of nickel.
Right, and obviously there's going to be push and pull here, but I guess the optics of taking Russian metal is not great. The political optics of not cutting off Russian supplies aren't great.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think that's the issue that the LME faces. I mean, we're seeing this conflict in Europe. You know, that certainly doesn't seem to be abating, and the LME has to do something. It has to react. And it said so very explicitly in its discussion paper that the reason it has raised this issue is very much because of that conflict and what is occurring.
What about, can metal sneak through by back channels? Would it be physically difficult, or would it be? Oh, I see you're smiling there. The metal market can be murky, can't it, globally?
Look, I wouldn't want to suggest that it's murky, but certainly it's a very dynamic marketplace, and there are a lot of aspects to it. So, you know, will we see physical metal continue to flow globally? Yes, we will. But at the end of the day, the London Metal Exchange very much functions as a central clearing mechanism and price determination mechanism for metal globally. So by removing this, by implementing this ban and the consequent, potential consequent price impact that we could see on the prices of aluminium on the London Metal Exchange, the impact could really be significant. A whole host of areas.
So, I mean, are we looking at a powder keg potentially here for metals? Could we get an explosion in prices if London and the US cut off Russian supplies?
Look, I think at the end of the day, the historical record speaks for itself. Last time we saw something like this happen, particularly with respect to Rusal and US sanctions, we saw the aluminium price, explode in value over 30%.
Yes.
And of current prices, that would be an $800 rally in the aluminium price on the LME almost instantaneously.